because I was dollar cost averaging all the way up and all the way down. And there was a point where I felt stupid, where I felt like, what did I do? Like, I just wasted so much money on at the top, and I could have bought more now when Bitcoin was down at 5K. But I also realized that why should I worry about this? I'm a long-term believer. It doesn't matter what the price of Bitcoin is today or tomorrow, because it's all about the fundamentals of Bitcoin and the long-term vision. As long as you believe in the fundamentals, stop staring at the charts so much. And fine, if you want to trade, that's perfectly okay. Trading is something that you definitely can do, but only with a small part of your portfolio. If you are too emotionally attached to a trade, then it means that you invested too much in this trade, and that's the wrong approach. So so I guess the first thing, determine, are you an investor or are you a trader, and then from there on you have to look at your actions.